the government of the Republic of Zambia, through the Office of the Auditor General, on 27 Coopers, in order to get to the bottom of the matter. I want to emphasize that prior to the engagement of PricewaterhouseCoopers, the President of the Republic of Zambia held various engagements with stakeholders, in particular those stakeholders who support the government of the Republic of Zambia in the provision of health services. These meetings were held at the State House, and there was an agreement that a private firm be engaged to conduct the forensic audit. According to the terms of the contract, the forensic audit, which commenced on 4th October 2024, PricewaterhouseCoopers was assigned to undertake a forensic audit on the receipt, delivery, storage, distribution, and usage of medicines funded by USAID and other cooperating partners. And as mandated by the Zambia Medicines and Medical Supplies Agency, ZAMMSA, for the period January 2023 to July 2024. However, before the contract for the forensic audit was signed on 27 September 2024, the government courteously availed the terms of reference to various cooperating partners for them to undertake a review. It was only after this was done that the forensic audit commenced on 4th October 2024. Government therefore reaffirms that it has at all material times considered the cooperating partners as key stakeholders in this process. Therefore, we would like to announce to the nation that the forensic audit by PricewaterhouseCoopers has been finalized and has since been handed over to the security wings for further action. In this regard, the Ministry of Home Affairs and Internal Security would like to assure that the final audit report will enable the security wings investigate, arrest, and prosecute a number of those involved in this highly concerning matter of pilferage of drugs in the country's public health sector. Already, through diligent investigations and enforcement actions by the Task Force on Theft of Government Medicines, the state has successfully arrested some individuals behind this scam, ensuring accountability and protecting the integrity of the country's healthcare system. You may recall that there was a preliminary report that was submitted to government. As a result of the content of the preliminary report, the security wings did undertake some investigations and a number of culprits have been arrested. In line with investigations into procurement irregularities at the Zambia Medicines and Medical Supplies Agency and several pharmaceutical facilities at a number of locations countrywide, the task force raided 401 facilities, leading to the arrest of 75 individuals for various offenses under the Medicine and Allied Substances Act and the Penal Code. Out of those arrested, 27 individuals have already been convicted and fined in accordance with the penalties prescribed by the mentioned laws. And that notably, 5 of the arrested individuals were linked to the Ministry of Health, suggesting an organized syndicate responsible for pilfering government medicines. Further, between January 2023 and December 2024, 3 former Zambia directors deliberately disregarded procurement procedures, resulting in wasteful expenditure and the acquisition of medicines failing to meet the required 80% shelf life standard. The 3 individuals have since been arrested and released on police bond pending court appearance, and their case has been submitted to the National Prosecution Authority for further legal process. This countrywide clampdown is an actualization of government's stance of zero tolerance to theft of